All right, fam, your boy is super excited, and I mean that. A couple of weeks ago, I did a video, and I told y'all we're about to get rid of This&Dat family member, the Big Easy smoker. I also asked y'all in the video, do you suggest that I tell my friend who actually built the big ugly smoker for me? So 3 or 4 of y'all, to include my nephew, Arthur Anderson Jr., suggested that if we're friends, that I go ahead and tell him. And we've been friends for 30 freaking years. So I reached out to him, and a couple of days later, he came back and suggested he has one of the newer Big Easy oilless turkey fryers, and he doesn't use it anymore. So he said, would you like to make a trade? I'm like, would I like to make a trade? I asked I was a little afraid, so now I'm gonna have 3 Big Easies. So I told my wife, I'm like, baby, I'm about to do something you might not like. I'm about to get Trade Steve, the ugly smoker, back for the oilless turkey fryer. And she was like, why would I be mad about that? Sounds like a good deal. You get a new product for something that you're not using. So I'm headed out this house right now to do the trade. And I'll be there in about 10 minutes. It's about a 10-minute drive from my house. We're gonna drop off one family member and gain another one. Y'all stay tuned. All right, I'm saying hello to my YouTube subscribers and friends.
Hello, YouTube.
Absolutely. This is my buddy Steve Cody, reliable prepper. He has his own.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Or I'll leave a description. I'll leave it in the description box. But you got your channel back up and going, and you starting to make videos again?
Yeah, maybe.
All right, yeah. Come on, dog. You got too much stuff. One day I'm gonna come over and do a tour for my subscribers of all your canning. I love your canning setup. Your canning setup. I know you got your honey at the other spot now.
Yeah, we need to go do a honey.
You really do, because you got this guy. Everybody thinks I got a lot of toys. Y'all ain't seen nothing. This dude got toys he don't even know what to do with. But yeah, like I told subscribers that this wasn't doing me any good and that wasn't doing you any good. So, and I use my Big Easy probably 3 times a week. And now that one with the lid on it.
Well, come take it. Well, you're gonna have to get some soap and water out.
Oh, I mean, come on.
I blew this.
Don't worry about it. I got it.
And I think that was a salamander under there.
Don't worry about it.
You know?
Yeah.
But don't. Alright.
There's the unveiling. Oh, homeboy. You're going to see this on many a video.
And that's what I liked about it.
Oh.
It's an infrared.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, my good. Don't worry about that, bro. You got to clean up those.
And this works actually pretty well.
Well, you know, I made all that kind of stuff for mine. You know, I engineered like a grill grate and all that. Well, this unit comes with it.
This one's got a I think it's charcoal box. So
oh my goodness, homie!
I'll give you some pellets, something like that.
Oh, I got all kinds.
Okay.
Oh my, yeah, that's the one that created a little smoke. I even did a video trying to make smoke in mine.
Yeah.
So this here is gonna cover all that.
It's a nice unit. I just never use it. And I got my,
So what's the difference? What I owe you?
Nothing.
Homeboy, you hooked me up.
Well, now, I'll take that back. I don't know, a couple of big
a couple of thick ribeyes?
Porterhouses or something like that.
All right, I get you a couple of thick ribeyes. Tanya like ribeyes, so I keep them on hand.
Yeah.
So I go to the store when I don't have to.
Yeah, man. Yeah, like I say, it's a nice unit. Just never use it. As you can see, it's probably a couple, 2, 3 years old.
But
however long they came out with
it probably got 2 hours on it at best.
Maybe.
Wow.
Yeah,
y'all see how he living? Y'all look at this big travel trailer that doesn't even move, just sits there and uses it for storage. My man is living large. Man, it must be nice to be you.
It must be. I don't know, man.
He also has a wife that has a lot of money.
Yeah. That right there was free.
You rebuilding that? Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I want to look at that master build.
Oh, okay.
That is freaking incredible.
All right. Actually caught me in the middle of working. You can believe that.
Nobody, you know what? We got it on film.
Yeah.
So that's the only way people gonna believe it.
I still think it's staged.
Yeah, they're like, he ain't dude. He poured water on himself. That is nice, homie.
Oh, sorry about the dirt.
No,
You know.
you know, you leave yours like I leave mine. I only clean it the next time I use them.
Well, this one over here, the Charbroil, I use the hell out of this one. And I normally clean it when the grills are hot. I'll just let it go for a little bit.
So one side of this is charcoal and the other side is gas?
No, both of them are gas.
Oh, okay.
You know, I just got, I can only eat a couple steaks at a time.
Because you don't invite me over.
And give the wife.
Because you don't invite me. Give her the gristle.
The bone and the gristle.
Yeah, you don't invite me over.
Yeah, I keep this one kind of clean, But
Man,
when
that's
you crank
nice.
This thing up, it maxes out 650, and you just kind of brush it off.
Man, and that's how I sear my steaks first. So I would 650, hit it for about a minute on each side, then lower it, and then put it on the other side like at 300.
I cook it at 650.
Oh, the whole time.
Perfect, yeah.
Pull it straight off.
Yeah.
Now, this gets the pellets?
No, this is actually charcoal.
Really?
Either charcoal, briquettes, or lump charcoal. You can put a few pellets in there if you want to. No, it's for the most part empty. But yeah, and
Wow.
this is pretty sweet. I've used it a couple of times. Real easy to light up. You just kind of, I watched a video on it, some YouTube videos.
Okay.
It's just kind of dirty, sitting right here. I'm in the process of getting everything cleaned out, sorting some stuff out, and yeah. Now I like that over there, the Cuisinart, the big.
I've seen the commercials.
It's storage.
You got too many.
Bring a 6-pack of Guinness too when you come over.
See, no, I can't bring something like Red Stripe or Lucky Stripe, whatever that's called. I gotta bring the expensive stuff.
You can bring a Red Stripe. I'll drink it too.
All right, fam, that went super well. We got to take a look at some of Steve's stuff, how he had set up his little entertainment section center, and we used to have some great parties there, man. He has that pizza oven, and the pizza oven is just, it makes the best freaking pizzas. That guy, he gets whatever his heart desires, he finds a way to get it. And most of the time, he builds it with his own hands. He's creative, he's got a lot of ingenious ideas, been knowing it for 30 freaking years. But enough about that. I got the newest family member laying down behind me. It wouldn't stand up vertically in the Jeep, it's a little too tall, which is good. The more the merrier when it comes to cooking meat. And so we gotta make another couple of stops. I gotta go to Lowe's, pick up a couple of things. Where else? I gotta get some gas. The Jeep is almost empty. Then we're gonna go home. We're gonna do a separate video on cleaning up the new Big Easy. But for this video, how I got the Big Easy, and I want to thank everybody who made suggestions about me telling him I was getting rid of the ugly smoker. It worked out for us, baby. It worked out for me. It worked out for Steve, and it worked out for the channel. So hats off to yourselves. Give yourself a round of applause. All right, fam, we're gonna make the rest of these stops. That's it for this video. I want to say thank y'all. We're well over 1,000 subscribers. Thank everybody for your participation. And there's a whole lot more for all of you who signed up, who subscribed to the channel because of the Big Easy. There's a lot of Big Easy videos coming out, baby. Y'all take care. If you like this video, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, be sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.